Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable hardware key assignments on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, we're going to click on our mouse and click on the key assignments. Once we are in the key assignments, as you guys can see, here we have everything. As you guys can see, here we have a lot of options. And if we want to just do something here, basically they are enabled by default, of course, but if you just want to enable them so that they work, you can create a new assignment, click on mouse, and here you can choose, for example, any other button like sniper, and you can remap the mouse here so it will be as a left double click. Now whenever I press the sniper button, as you guys can see, let me go over to home. Once I click it, it won't work, but once I double click it with my sniper button, it will open. So that's basically how it all works, and that's how you guys can enable those hardware key assignments on your mouse. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.